Today I'm going to show you two different ways to use Canva to make free mock-ups for your brand, whether that be clothes, art, whatever. So the first way does require a premium subscription, but basically you're just going to type in t-shirt in the search bar, and you'll see that it'll populate t-shirt designs that you can use as inspiration, and you'll also see two different t-shirt mock-ups. This first one requires a premium subscription, and the one under it does not, I believe. So you may be able to get away with using that, but if you don't have a premium subscription, I'll show you another way, so stay tuned. So once you click use this template, it'll take you here to this page, and what I did is just deleted the background on everything and deleted the last page because we don't need it. And I just made a quick little design by going over to the Elements tab and searching for a chrome, and I used a chrome heart, and I just made up a quick brand name as well, which you'll see in a second. And this quick design took me like literally 3 seconds, so anybody can do it, and you can easily make a design and make a mock-up that you can send over to your manufacturer or use as a guideline when creating your own garments. So I'm changing the name here really quickly to something called Hearted, and as you can see, it's really easy. Change the text, you can change the colors. So not only are you making the design here, but you can also use this as a mock-up as well, and you'll just save it as a PNG file to send over to manufacturers. And it's a very simple, very easy process, and boom, we're done that fast. Okay, so the next method is completely free. You're just going to go on Jiffy Shirts or your manufacturer's website, and you're basically just going to find a blank that you like, and you're going to screenshot it and save it to your desktop or wherever you save your files, but you're just going to save it to your computer. The specific one I'm looking for is the IND 4000. It's a hoodie that I want to use, so I'm just typing that into the search bar at the top. And as you can see, it pops up here. It's the little camo one, so we're going to click it and pick the color that we want to use for our mock-up. I just went with lavender for demonstration purposes, and we're just going to go ahead and screenshot it and prepare it for Canva. So I found this design that I wanted to just use. Of course, you can't use these exact designs when you are making hoodies, but for the purpose of this video, I just wanted to show you guys that, hey, here's some inspiration you could use. So you're going to upload the hoodie that you screenshotted into your Canva account, and I have a premium account, so I am also going to remove the background from the image. But if you don't have a premium account, you can use remove.bg, and it's a free website that will remove the background of your images. So once I have the background removed, I'm just going to copy this design and paste it right onto the hoodie and resize it, and boom, this way is very simple, very easy, and we're basically done after that. So here's two different ways you can use Canva to design mock-ups for your clothing brand, for your art, whatever it is that you want to use. And I hope this video helps somebody, and thanks for watching.